Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a city in France, having a population of about 500,000 people. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Lyon, Lion, Lyon. Lyon. Lyon is known for its historical and architectural landmarks, including the Basilica of Notre Dame de Fourvière and the ancient theatre of Fourvière. It's also renowned for its cuisine, especially its rich culinary tradition known as bouchons, and being the birthplace of modern gastronomy. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Lyon, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.